Hi everyone, thanks so much for tuning into my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jackie and I'm a mom of three and I love to cook and bake, but like most people, I don't have a lot of time to spend in the kitchen. So I try to come up with recipes that are quick and easy to put together. So today's recipe is going to be grilled cheese. Now grilled cheese is pretty much a staple for lunchtime in my house, but I try to switch up the recipes so that we don't get bored with the same old grilled cheese sandwich. So today I'm going to show you how to make grilled cheese with different ingredients 4 ways. So stay tuned. I've added some garlic powder to this butter to add a little bit of flavor to it, and now I'm spreading it on the slices of bread. This is havarti cheese, which has a mild flavor, but if you want a stronger cheese, I would suggest using an aged cheddar. So this sandwich is going to get some bacon. And I'm adding some grilled chicken breast to this one. Now I'm using regular butter to spread on the top. I keep about a quarter cup of butter on my countertop so that we always have spreadable butter. For the third sandwich, I'm using a jalapeno lime aioli as a spread that I bought from Costco. And I'm using havarti cheese on that one as well. The fourth sandwich is going to be some regular butter, and I'm using some leftovers we had from the Indian restaurant that we regularly go to. This is called Shahi Paneer. Paneer is a type of soft cheese commonly used in Indian dishes. The sauce is a thick gravy of cream, tomatoes, and spices. I've lightly buttered my cast iron grilled skillet and placed the first sandwich onto the pan. I'm putting a piece of parchment paper on top of the sandwich, and then I'm using my other cast iron pan to press down on the sandwich so I get some really nice grill marks. Now I'm adding some butter to this side before flipping it. I grill each side for about 2 minutes. If you don't have a cast iron pan with the grill marks, of course that's fine, it's the taste that counts. I'm putting the parchment paper on again, putting my pan on, and pressing the top once again. I've grilled all 4 sandwiches and now it's time to cut them. This is the chicken breast. This one is the classic grilled cheese. This is the paneer. And this one is the bacon. This is a perfect lunch idea with a variety of choices for everyone. So there you have it, grilled cheese sandwich made 4 different ways. Now if you don't have something like paneer in your grocery store, you can always switch that out with something like grilled veggies. The possibilities are endless. Now if you make these grilled cheese sandwiches, let me know how it goes in the comments below. Or if you have ideas of how you make grilled cheese sandwiches, add them to the comments below. And if you like this recipe, please click on that like button and subscribe. Until next time, take care.